I'm Lucy from Lucy B, and I'm so excited to finally tell you about our new brilliant balm. So this is a multi-purpose balm that works really well as a deep nourishing cleanser to remove makeup. It also works as a night balm, so if you want to use it in the evening as a mask and sleep in it, or you can use it on dry areas such as elbows, lips. You can tame your eyebrows, on a bump if you're pregnant. It's been lovely for that, just really nourishing, really rich oils, which I'm going to discuss in a minute, and great as a makeup removal. So I'm going to do the makeup removal for you and talk you through it while I'm doing it to save time. It is also Cosmos natural, it's vegan, palm oil free, cruelty free, and as you can see, packaging is really important to us as well. So we've made it a really gorgeous purple colour, and the actual balm inside is like a yellow colour. So I've been using my one, I couldn't wait to get my hands on the real thing. I've been literally using so many samples of this since we made it, and I just love it in the evening. To show you how easy and how good this is at removing makeup, I've put on all the makeup I could find. So I've got bronzer, highlighter, the darkest lipstick, eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, foundation on. What's different with this balm is you apply it to dry hands and dry skin. So really warm the balm up into your hands. It gives you an extra nice experience of that indulging feeling, especially in the evening. It's really luxurious and feels so good on the skin. As you can see, this product melts away the makeup. It literally just appears as I'm rubbing it into the skin. I've kept this in at normal time so you can just see how easy it is at removing the makeup. It removes daily grime, pollutants, SPF from the skin, and it's also great in the morning because it's so hydrating, it locks in the moisture. So let me go on to the benefits of this product. Squalane is really moisturising for the skin. It makes the skin soft, supple, it reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and improves the skin's firmness and brightness. Some of the key oils in this blend are apricot oil, almond oil, rosehip oil, rapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, which all condition the skin. They're soothing, they soften the skin, and they deeply hydrate and moisturise the skin, giving it a lovely, hydrated, healthy glow, which we're all about at Lucy B. It's just like magic. Did you see how quickly that makeup dissolved? It literally melts on the face. Oh, it honestly is the best product for taking off makeup and just a real luxurious evening or morning pamper, because in the morning it really boosts hydration and it can make the skin look gorgeous under makeup or on its own if you apply SPF afterwards. So I'm just going to finish off with a tiny bit on my hands to finish off this video. I really hope you found this useful. If you